Central government to introduce new law to protect health workers. APRO staff distributes food items to Rongchingri villagers with own salaries. KA, WKA and the Mahasa workers stranded at Dimapur pleaded assistance for home return. Hello and welcome to Karbing Long Live. I'm Julie Bipi with the latest news. Now let's have a look into the news in detail. In a big move towards the security of health workers across the country, the central government has approved a new law which will make a tax on all health workers a non-violable cognizable offence. More from our news desk.
Adding more power to the existing Epidemic Diseases Act 1897, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar informed that the government is bringing a new ordinance to punish people who commit atrocities on health workers. According to this new ordinance, any form of atrocities on health workers will be investigated and be completed within 30 days, and verdict will be declared within a year. Minor cases may attract fine of 50,000 to 2 lakhs rupees and imprisonment ranging from 3 months to 2 years. And serious cases may attract 6 months to 7 years imprisonment and fine of 1 lakh to 5 lakhs rupees. Damage on vehicle or clinic, the offender shall pay double the market value of the damage. While briefing the media, the minister said that India had constructed 723 COVID hospitals with about 2 lakhs isolation beds, 24,000 ICU beds within 3 months. News Desk report, Karbing Long Live.
Moving to another news with an aim of bringing some relief to some sections of people, the Assam Finance and Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma today announced 3 vital points for the lockdown period. The 3 points include the cessation of the Education Department, financial assistance to stranded persons and allowing inter-district movement of people on special ground. Here is a detailed report.
All schools will charge only 50% of the fees for the month of March, and if it has already been collected, it should be adjusted in the next month. No private schools in the state shall increase fees during this period without prior approval of the state government. The minister also said that no private schools shall cut the salary of their employees during this period. Further, around 1,02,000 persons of the state stranded in different parts of the country had been provided an assistance of 2,000 rupees. He also said that this has been targeted for 4 lakhs persons, while the number is increasing as volunteers are still working to find out more stranded persons. Thirdly, the health minister announced that inter-district movement for persons stranded within the state will be allowed on April 25, 26 and 27, but this movement will be either from homebound or office-bound. The minister stated that the movement will be only 3 categories of people. They are patients going for treatment, persons stranded along with own vehicle, and stranded workers. This category of people shall apply for permission from the deputy commissioners. Stranded workers would be allowed to travel by the vehicle hired by the contractors with proper permission and with not more than 25 persons in a single vehicle. With the rest can travel by ASTC buses and are advised to dial 104 to apply for travel. However, no private vehicle would be allowed to apply for the purpose to pick up any stranded persons, and that they would have to immediately apply to travel by the ASTC buses. The minister also said that Assam has not recorded any new COVID-19 cases in the last 7 days. News Desk report, Karbing Long Live.
A few members of Assam Police Radio Organization today extended their assistance towards the lockdown-affected families of Rongchingri village of Dipu Lamding Road area today. Bikram Crow has this report.
The APRO staff consisting of DSP CR Papuri Borgohai, ASI Jiten Teram, Tarun Kumar and Gram Sevak Ravi Timung raised money from their own salaries to purchase food items, which was distributed to over 40 families of Rongchingri village of the Fulamding Road area here on Wednesday. The food items which were distributed today included rice, dal, salt and biscuits.
COVID-19 সময়ত আমি যিমানখিনি পাৰো আমি সহায় কৰিব আগবাঢ়িছো যাতে মানুহখিনিৰ মানে কষ্টটো হৈছে কিন্তু মানে অলপ যাতে তেওঁলোকে ৰিলিফ পায় হেতুৱে মানে আমাৰ ডিফৰ ফালৰ পৰা এইটো এফৰ্ট দিছো আৰু সেই কাৰণে মানে আমি আজি অলপ সাহায্য লৈ আহিছো।
Meanwhile, Rongchingri villagers have also expressed gratitude to APRO ASI Jiten Teron for reaching out to them by highlighting their plight to their staff members. The villagers also appreciated him for being the first one to encourage his APRO staff to come out and raise money for the affected families. News Desk, Krabi Anglong Live.
In yet another news related to the consequence of COVID-19 outbreak, migrant workers from the two hill districts of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao who have been kept at Dimapur District Sports Complex have pleaded immediate assistance for their home return. Here is a report.
These are the workers who have been rescued by Dimapur police while they were heading home from Kohima on foot during the first lockdown period. And these workers were then taken to a quarantine camp at Dimapur District Sports Complex where they had been screened for COVID-19 and have been staying there since then, even when they all were found to be negative. While speaking to us, one worker said that 45 men from different parts of the two hills districts of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao are currently being held up at the camp. According to this man, they have been there for the past 23 days and they now wanted to return home immediately as they have completed the quarantine period. These workers are requesting the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council under the leadership of CEO Tuliram Ronghang and the district administration to help them get back home. News Desk, Karbi Anglong Live.
Moving ahead with the news, one fair price shop owner has expressed disappointment and has alleged that one self-proclaimed local journalist had been making false accusations against her over distributing of rice. This was stated in a press briefing held at Kolanga PWD-IB this afternoon. Here is a report from our Dongkamakam correspondent.
According to Junaki Lingpi, the fair price shop dealer of Krumjeng, the self-proclaimed local journalist Komal Singh Iti went to her shop on April 19, where he falsely accused her of practicing irregularity in distribution of rice, demanding her to immediately open a private godown of the family. The dealer also said that the self-proclaimed local journalist yelled at her and had created nuisance. While talking to journalists and local residents held at Kolanga PWD-IB, the dealer clarified that she had never been involved in unfair or illegal practices, as rice were being regularly delivered to the beneficiaries, which could be confirmed from all of the beneficiaries of the area, as some of whom were present there today. In addition to this, the dealer said that the rice were even given to non-ration card holders out of her own private barn. Meanwhile, local residents present in the meeting had also confirmed that the statement of the local FP shop dealer was true. Gabon Militi Supi from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live.
And that's all we have with us for now. Thank you for being with us. For more news, keep watching Karbi Anglong Live.